Ritesh, Jiddu, Santosh, Shivotosh, Ullu, Alka, who are the digital hackers and who will be the also killer of Narendra Modi, etc. All political parties that because killed that Arun Jaitley, Sushma Swaraj, Atal Bihari, Pranab Mukhopadhyay, Somnath Chatterjee, Sanjay Lolita, etc. or Jyoti Bose, Subhash Sarkar, Shivatosh, etc. Bidan Chandra, Paritosh, Shivatosh, Samar, Ranjan, Shankar, Satnam, Sare Satan, Shiv, Shiv, Shiv Shankar, Shivam, Shivangan, এই সমস্ত যে শৈবানী শৈবানী শিবানী শৈতানী শঙ্কর শঙ্করী সন্তোষী there are very wrong people who tried to jai bole Shivadasa yatha killing attempt when I am being awakened for forceful urination and that has been helped to what I have saving that this people that Sibotos is a fanatic killer. He has made so many suicidal. That's why, as a need of the country and humanity, Narendra Modi, his government, many people has to be killed, beheaded, shooting or another mode, as Gandhi was killed. But Nehru were killed by this remote, that killer. I do not know that in the same way as my voice they can kill also Narendra Modi, that Satan force whom they have Narendra Modi and they have helped him. Narendra Modi उनके सबके साथ सबके विकास सबके विश्वास भंग करेंगे सबका विश्वास को भंग करके केस रचने में विनाश कराएंगे और उसके बाद नरक भेद कराएंगे तो सबका साथ परिणाम एक ही करेगा सबको विनाश करवाएगा सबको मारेगा सबको कूटेगा सबको इतना परेशान करेगा आत्मा को वेदना देगा राम भगत होते होके चुदिर बच्चा ये जो डिजिटल सिस्टम को बुलाएगा यही लकार है ये लोग मैन्युफैक्चर है इनका बन जाने पर सारा भारत वर्ष को किडनैप कर लेगा Usually they have kidnapped, they have locked Indian or missile nuclear warheads. That Sudhir Bacha Ajay Kumar is a class. This Ajay Kumar and Narendra Modi, all etc. has to be Ajit Doval. Indian defense stop or remain silent on this crisis of humanity and Indian, where Hinduism will go. Hinduism remain as a world caretaker. These people killing in that satanic, invincible, invisible way, remote-based killing. Even on this 10,000 videos have been published. Almost all world leaders have been requested to take action, to listen me, attend. And every country is losing in the wrong excuse of coronavirus that is becoming underneath severe killing. And that is becoming horrible. So they are attempting of this Ullu, Alok Singh Rai, Manish Singh Rai, IIT Kharagpur, and Makhan, the IB criminals, Mariam, that Shankari Kasak Bai, Postop, Shivastop, Sistop, they are doing very wrong. And they, in this way, they have killed all this. When I have remained in sleep, I could not guess this attacking power. and rotational way to sleep practically become very impossible unless I am in awakened state. They create a very wrong situation. Tu joy, tu di, tu donkor. Then tu soy, tu khoy, ritoy, tu sita, rikoya. Santosh ka sare bachcha susital. Sital Goshti is a horrible killer. They have to do, they can easily do this. So much magi astronomy on this midnight sky of India to fly as if the fishes are flying over the whole sky. I was thinking so much ladies, Bhargat boy, James and Pamela, they have arranged. So not only a Bengali, Gujarati people are showmen. And there is a Mansukh Mandap there, Ashwini. All these people are to be horribly taken as they removed Dr. Harshavardhan and that put up that this Mansukh Mandia is a criminal. He is just criminal. Narendra Modi just like, but he is a worst criminal. They are like that, and that Narendra Modi, who is the worst wrongdoer for the Indian, how the Gandhi was killed, he has to be killed immediately, and all Shaji community has demanded. It is the Ram Gautar. He has cheated all the Ram Bhakta, even if he is killing Islam and leftist. His supported team is so biasless, merciless, cruel, anarchism, invading the Ukraine as if these people to acquire Indian political power or world. But when there will be no people to feed them, because they are totally parasite, but these are mad, that people are not removing, killing from ocean and deep sea, it has become wrong. So these people has to be killed, particularly just way Gandhi was killed for saving humanity or Hinduism, but that was in vain because the people could not understand. There was like social media, digital system based informing because that one mere later cannot have. But still my Gurudev etc. have tried to inform, but the people did not pay attention as they do not give attention of thousands of later emails, videos. So gradually of meeting these monks to me and that what may have reached on that video, and the people who are coming from this horrible place of this Mexico, they have promoted this thought, it is a horrible. Even Islam has accepted me as a world savior. The people have learned that is a religious way. There was no difference with Indian gods or their representative with what Islam later on as a created separation, as a new age, that clones as a deviation type of, almost they have started Satan followers. In the name of God, if they do wrong, the God will not accept their cases. But they are exactly doing as a followers of Satan. Just like Satan's, their mentality, their name has given Musalman, and they are gladly using this name, Musalman. So to malign their own clan integrity and their enviousness, cruelty, anarchism, anti-humanism, because they have self-designed to destroy that religion, but they make themselves also vulnerable to that at the hands of these such criminals, which is called satanic witches. What they are killing, climate change, weather change, global warming, the mind instigations, all type of calamities, the street accident, digital hacking, chemical wear, bioweapons wear, all this have doing from these man-made tricks doing deploying, hijacking, that people is fearing that from India, so many people misled being brought to the outside of India, and Dubai particularly has become very critically buy center. All Kachori sheikhs, conspiracy and human killing being done by this semi-Islam, but these people are remain Bengali idiots, selfish, leftist, criminals, is far below inferior of any human saint. Islam still is that have saints accepting their religion, they are helping, but these people will not have. They will kill brutally because there is a chance that people will kill them gradually. So they are trying to reduce that whole art. They are anti-people or the civil people of the society. This was a time almost 1 p.m. Today is probably 15th September or 16th September, I cannot understand, because they are keeping whole day and night in such a horrible manner to save me and to other people, rest of the world. I was in horrible about this horrible system, that horrible natures of the horrible habits, horrible prudence, and horrible pleasure-taking, killing innocent. When these people, ladies, much portion of the ladies gradually tilted to my side, they have left this Islamism because there was a fondness as if Islam to get fucking particularly their enjoyable areas. If they get ad libitum fucking or crime doing and witches mentality, then Satan agrees that Allah, what they malign Allah as a Satan power. In such way, crime doing. I have blamed this all anti-religious, anti-Hinduism, anti-humanist, civil portion, innocent killer. Mainly remain Islam and this Bengali who are under the people witches. And these witches must killing power. In a host horrible manner, they have killed more than 50 crores people almost in these 50 years. So every year they are killing almost more than 1 crore, 10 million. And in coronavirus, they are extra killed 10 million. And apart that, they are normal killings. Mental illness, body weakening has become so. And metal using that metal trapping of soul, mind, all molecules from the sky, far sky, cosmic, it is becoming very horrible. This Todchumbokya tungsten metal base, very strong and immediate anticyclic force applier can make metal system like conformation, that compactness, hardness, complexity that one people or psychic cannot immediately run his or her respiration, suffocation is so that metallic power. There are so many people who are becoming fatigued, that high उठाचे बिल्ली के बच्चा भी हाई उठा रहा है. हाई मतलब the trapped air evacuation manner. Because this metallic figure and metallic setup putting on my head and other people, they are doing horrible for life snatching. They are trying to pull my body in the sky or to drag by side boy to snatch the heart and the vital portion of the body. As the body can be pulled up, even remaining on their opposite surface, so that is becoming as the cylinder or hydraulic way that machine can be put above. So first they are making us at their level, then pushing those pointers towards in opposite manner towards our sky, so that is to pull our body and lower portion as they remain tagged with their system. So they are attacking, fixing in quick, cohesive and attacking, attractive towards their setup being snatched. So this is the killing mechanism. It is a horrible. So it is high need of these Indian and world-rest political leaders, certain particular Joe Biden, Kamala Harris, and Democrats leadership. Their attempt is to just misleading, just like witches, to suppress their Pakpakas, hotpots, and they are doing very blunder boomerang. They are asked their own harm because they are criminal. They are ultimately to go the hell. There hardly matters whether Modi has religiously has connection with Lord Ram or Vishnu, because he was become old denigrator of the Lord Ram or Krishna, Buddha, Shiva, Durga. So he has betrayed that Hinduism, that religious Indian people's honest. He has been evolved as a mass killer conspirator, believing and getting money from their illegal way looting of this killer from undersea, who to do smuggling all type of most valuable, and in this way they have made a huge of money, and that way these people are doing a whole world devastation. The Tandav in the sea, Tandav in the jungle, Tandav in the hills, Tandav in the within every within creature's body itself, mind, common psychological gravitational field. They are doing horrible. What they are doing, climate change as their whimsical, to change that weather per hour or 10 minutes, 15 minutes, seconds, that wind, the direction change, storm, sudden bringing storm, rain, calamities, tilting earth, earthquakes, changing the focal length and focal plane of antennas, so they become people various way weekend of their life leading, eating, seeing, speaking, drinking, moving, sleeping. Every work is becoming impossible at these people's hands. Even remain alive, the people are in fear to kill. What I could guess, they can kill the setup per day. That is become horrible of this people's nature. It is practically horrible, the killing of these people. So these people have gone against the whole humanity as if they are to conquer whole earth, and that is becoming very horrible for us to tolerate. It is for Turjoy, Shibotos, then Tukhoi, and others, Tomato, Anat, Samio, Amio, Abon, Aton, Anath, Anirban, Anirudh, Anjan, Anjan, Amal, Bimal, Douglas, Tumun, Tushar Hazra, and Sisi, Ghosh or something, I don't know, this is it. Ghosh, somebody is a common, because Jugal Karmakars one has been identified what is their surname, Karmakar or Ghosh or Jugal, that is misused by these people. And this, this tricks of satanic or the witches is horrible. They never disclose their inner motive, their harming, envious nature, in which they are doing tricks and very full of very deceptive and treacherous betrayal and mad, erratic behavior. And these people are very fond of killing, torturing the living soul and dead soul. Dead soul is one who has the body. After killing one, earthly living dead soul's body, so they to pick up their dead souls and into the put in the as if they are to damage in inert jada buddhi kar dena, inert making, no sense, and horrible, painful state. This is the people's horrible sibotos to do, and they can their machine as a monobox type to mind mesmerized, mind learning, mind searching, mind putting in the very critical platform media that watery vast volume and the column lane and very concentrated metallic tungsten. They can create a variable of remote basis, pico to nano, even mega, giga, more finest manner to trap even the cosmic rays or the mind gravitational which folding, tilting their setup in the 10 direction in traffic motion and all carryable of their whole use and to make floatable to throw the figures in spherical that globe manner, three-dimensional, the circular disc type, just like globe, to put those people in different angles, different strata, to catch the people of that people's throats, belly, penis, heads, chest, in a horrible manner. They are putting up those people in us, selecting people, they are taking name, the machine searches, and the vagina's mouth is so horrible system to search those people. So Sibotas is doing coitus, and they are trained in thousand. Calcutta University Atmospheric Sciences Department is doing all the present time cyclone. For India, they have created 3-4 cyclone, and USA that is doing horrible polar winds and etc. In India, that is this year is so much rain, record-breaking rain, and almost twice or thrice time rain has got West Bengal. It is an horrible state of that West Bengal. And Delhi has got record-breaking rain. But this idiot of Calcutta meteorological department do not disclose this fact. This is criminal. That all Indian meteorological art science environment health departments and ICMR, all the people's post has been occupied by the Satan's irreligion. This is my talk, what I have given in the dark, because the time 1 p.m. I have not switched on my light. I put off on my switch. So in darkness I have taken this video. So it is to that movie Tumun Mumun, who is also digital hacker, Tusito Tujito is doing horrible. For such doing, as I am asking you to kill Narendra Modi as you people killed Gandhi, idiot, for the same reason going against God wishes to take care of this world humanity, taking as if religious whiteness who does not believe that mythology is made possible by the Satan or the deities or demons. But these demons, the deities' power is misused in anti-manner by the deities. So the peoples are doing very, very important powers of Bengal